In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the cancellation policy on Fresha. Fresha, as many of you might already know, is a top-notch platform facilitating transactions and interactions between beauty wellness professionals and their clientele. It's the bridge that simplifies the booking process, but most importantly, it allows business owners like you to set clear guidelines, including cancellation policies. So let's dive into how you can update your cancellation policy, ensuring both you and your clients are on the same page, fostering a mutual understanding and respect. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Fresha's official website dedicated to business owners. Simply type in https://www.fresha.com/for-business into your browser's address bar or search field. This link directs you to a portal specifically designed for the business side of operations. Upon arriving at the site, your next step is to log into your business account. You'll see a login button clearly displayed on the page. Clicking on this will bring you to the next crucial step, which is selecting for business. This option ensures you're accessing the platform with the correct type of account, catering specifically to your needs as a service provider or business manager. Now, for many of you, the most convenient way to sign in would be using your Google account. Fresha offers this nifty feature, and clicking on Sign in using Google streamlines the login process, making it quick and seamless. Once you click on this, you'll then choose the Google account you wish to use for signing in, assuming you have more than one. Selecting your preferred account will whisk you to the back end of your business profile on Fresha. Here comes the more technical bit. Once you're signed in and looking at your dashboard, navigate to the bottom of the page where you'll find Settings. This is your control room where you can adjust various aspects of how your business operates on Fresha, including your cancellation policy. After clicking on Settings, look for the Scheduling option. This section allows you to delve into the specifics of how your appointments are managed, a crucial area for any service-based business. Under Scheduling, you'll be directed to find and click on Cancellation Reasons. This might sound a bit misleading, but it's actually where you can manage not just the reasons for cancellation Fresha offers to clients, but also your policy regarding cancellations. After clicking on Cancellation Reasons, you'll see Actions next to your current cancellation policy. This button is essentially your portal to making amendments. Clicking on Actions will reveal the Edit option. Now, this is where you personalize your cancellation policy. By clicking on Edit, you're able to rewrite, revise, or completely overhaul the policy to better suit your business's current needs and expectations. It's an opportunity to clarify any changes in how you handle cancellations, ensuring that your clients know exactly what to expect. Once you've made your amendments and are satisfied with your newly polished cancellation policy, the final step is to save your changes. By clicking on Save, you solidify your updated policy, making it visible and applicable to your clientele through the Fresha platform. Updating your cancellation policy is more than just a task on your to-do list. It's an important measure in ensuring that your business operations run smoothly and that your clients understand and respect your time and policies. Keep in mind, clear communication can significantly reduce the likelihood of last-minute cancellations, saving you from potential lost revenue and scheduling headaches. Remember, the goal here is to foster a transparent and respectful relationship with your clients, and having a clear, fair cancellation policy is a cornerstone of that objective. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your cancellation policy on Fresha, ensuring your business continues to run smoothly and efficiently, whether you're fine-tuning the details to better accommodate your clients or reinforcing your boundaries to safeguard your business. Remember, this tool is there to serve both you and your client base. Thanks for joining me today. Dive in, take control, and keep your business on the path to success.